Alrighty, we're in part 2.
Okay, and here we are, part 2 now. I'm still just documenting this transfer here. There's not a whole lot, but it's still happening. Now let's move on to the shingles above here at number 5. Oh boy. Almost started to tear through. We started actually at this end.
Actually did tear a little bit.
It did start to tear. Just not a good sign. Still gonna do my best to a lot of resistance on this one. We're just trying to be as delicate as possible. A little bit of transfer. I'm gonna document that as well. And you can even see on my bar here what's all coming off of these shingles. It's starting to actually affect the integrity of the shingle above and below.
You get a snapshot of that corner right there on shingle number 5. And there's obviously a little shingle piece actually below it that fell off.
And there's that little piece. And we're just trying to be super delicate here. And that's just the one tab. I'm going to go ahead. That way I can keep track of what we got going on. Let's go ahead and continue. Breaking this seal. A lot of resistance here. And again, it's not super warm where the tar strip should be that active to be. A little bit of material even falling off. I'm going to take a snap of that. It's just a lot of resistance, which is expected. They are shingles. A lot of transfer on this one. And here we are still on number 5.
When you say transfer, Andy, what do you mean exactly by transfer?
So that's actually a great question. So with the transfer, the matting, whether it's matting or the actual material is transferring from one shingle to the next or vice versa. With the installation of these, they're designed to not come apart. So once you break this seal, if this matting, like you can see here, takes from this shingle, the top shingle, back down to here, they are both at that point compromised.
So essentially the tar strip is ripping parts of the shingle.
It's literally transferring the shingles together and moving just all the material that it's stuck to together.
We're at about 4.5, so I'm going to go into part 3.